Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the problem you might be having if your plugin installations are failing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. Right in the upper right corner, you can get started logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account if you have not already. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started fixing any plugin installation issues. What we're looking for guys is first to go ahead and open up the plugins menu. So right here at the left side screen, let's go ahead and open up our plugins marketplace if you have not already. And after opening it up guys, this is now going to open up the marketplace where you can find all the plugins and so on. So let's go ahead and open up one of the plugins and take a look at how to get started installing it. Basically, to install it, you want to click the install button that's going to appear right here at the right side of the screen. Currently I'm on a free plan, so as you can see I currently cannot use plugins as you need an upgraded plan. But once you have your plan and you want to get started, click the install button. If you're getting some installation process issues, then this is what you can try. First guys, you have to make sure you have not already installed a plugin. So if you have some other plugin of this domain that is clobbering your website, sometimes you're going to have too many plugins. They're going to unenable you to go ahead and install any more. So what you want to do is clear up some plugins that you don't use and only use the plugins you need and then try installing it. If you're still getting problems, then the problem might be with your hosting. So what you want to do guys is make sure that your host, let's say you're using Hostinger, is not having any problems. They're going to not enable you to go ahead and install the plugins that you need. If all of that is working guys and you can still not install them, the first option that you need to do is to go ahead and contact the support. So you want to send an email to support. This is what you need to do, to go ahead and tell them what your problem is and to go ahead and help them. They will guide you step by step on what's wrong. But basically that's what you can try. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So I guess thanks for watching, take care and bye.